Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. And to do this you need to get the RAR app. We shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find it, open it. Right here we need to find the files that we want to pack, and here's mine. Now select each of the file you'll be packing. Then click on this plus button. You'll enter archiving options. You can change the name of this archive or change basically any settings, but it's not necessary to create a simple RAR file. I'm just gonna pick a different name. Then click on OK. And your files should be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.